welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mansi and I create content related to beauty, fashion and lifestyle. If you're into all sort of genre, please do consider subscribe to our channel. आज का वीडियो होने वाला है very huge स्किन केयर हॉल गाइज. स्किन केयर ये ऐसी चीज है ना, बीट लॉकडाउन और बीट नो लॉकडाउन, आपको स्किन केयर की हमेशा जरूरत पड़ती है. एंड आई एम बीइंग द कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन टाइप, मेरी स्किन बहुत ज्यादा फ्रिक्वेंटली चेंज होती रहती है. आई समटाइम्स फील वेरी ऑयली, समटाइम्स आई फील very dry, so I have to keep up with my skincare game. So if you want to know what did I purchase from a lot of different skincare brands, let's get into the video. This is a very huge 2 boxes from Nykaa, Face Shop, Dr. Sheth's and Cosrx. So I did end up buying a lot of things, so we'll get into what did I got. First guys, मैंने Face Shop से बहुत ही बड़ा बॉक्स रिसीव हुआ है मुझे, because Face Shop पे 25% ऑफ था. There was some sale going on Face Shop and I was like it's a best time to restock my essentials from Face Shop. The first thing which I got from Face Shop is this one guys. This is their oil based remover, like it's a cleanser, it's a makeup remover guys. This is how it looks like. ये बहुत ही अच्छा है. मैंने इसको I think 2 से 3 बार अलग अलग वेरिएंट में मंगवाया है एंड दिस टाइम आई गॉट द राइस ब्राइट वेरिएंट, बिकॉज मुझे इस वाला रेंज मैंने ट्राई नहीं किया था इन टर्म्स ऑफ क्लेंजर. इसका मुझे पूरा स्किन केयर रेंज मैंने ट्राई किया हुआ है एंड आई रियली लाइक इट एंड आई डू एंड अप रिपर्चेसिंग द होल राइस वाटर रेंज. बट दिस इज द क्लेंजर वाला चीज मैंने नहीं ट्राई किया था कभी, सो आई वाज लाइक लेट्स बाय दिस वन. आई रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू ट्राई दिस हाउ इट टर्न्स आउट. आप देख सकते हो मैंने इसका सील भी नहीं निकाला है, बिकॉज आई वाज लाइक लेट्स शो यू ऑल गाइज व्हाट डिड आई गॉट एंड देन आई स्टार्ट यूजिंग इट. दिस वन रिटेल्स फॉर 999 रुपीज, बट मुझे इस पर 25% ऑफ मिल गया था लक बाय चांस. नेक्स्ट 2 आइटम विच आई गॉट आर अ रीस्टॉक गाइज एंड मैं इसको बार बार रीस्टॉक करती हूँ. दैट्स द रीजन आई लव इट. एंड दिस इज द वन, दिस इज देयर राइस वाटर ब्राइट क्लेंजर. दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी कल्ट फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम फेस शॉप. मुझे ये फोमिंग क्लेंजर्स है एंड मुझे पर्सनली ये बहुत पसंद है. टू बी ऑनेस्ट मैं फोमिंग क्लेंजर्स बहुत ही कम यूज करती हूँ. मैं जेल बेस्ड क्लेंजर्स बहुत प्रेफर करती हूँ, बट दिस इज द ओनली फोमिंग क्लेंजर आई हैव इन माई होल कलेक्शन एंड दैट्स द रीजन बिकॉज आई रियली लव इट. ये बहुत माइल्ड है, बिल्कुल इरिटेट नहीं करता. नाउ monsoons are coming really soon, so I was like I have to switch up my cleanser real soon, so that's the reason I restock on this. मैं इसका पूरा एक bottle finish कर चुकी हूँ already and this is my second or third tube. That's much how I love it. This does retail for 650 rupees, but again I got it on 25% off, so this is the second product. And the next product which I got from Face Shop is this one guys. It's their rice emulsion. I really like this. This is a very good 150 ml bottle and इसका एक पूरा range आता है where you get an eye cream, serum, toner and there is a moisturizer. पर्सनली मुझे ये वाला इमल्शन वाला फॉर्मूला फेस शॉप का बहुत ज्यादा पसंद है. दिस इज नॉट वेरी हैवी ऑन योर फेस, एट द सेम टाइम इट गिव्स द राइट अमाउंट ऑफ हाइड्रेशन. दैट्स द रीजन आई रियली लव दिस एज अ मॉइस्चराइजर. आई हैव फिनिश मिनिमम 3 to 4 बॉटल्स ऑफ इट. आई एम नॉट इवन एक्सैचुरेटिंग. ये बहुत ही अच्छा वाला है एंड इस पे बहुत ही कम ऑफ मिलता है एंड आई थिंक दिस इज द I will say the most cheapest moisturizer in terms of face shop. I really love this. ये बहुत ही अच्छा बॉटल है. इतना सा है 150 ml का बॉटल है, but you will last this for like I think more than 2 months now if you use it on a daily basis then too. I really love this. You can definitely check this out. This is completely like a 2 to 3 times repurchase from my side. Next product which I got is a free gift from Face Shop. So there was some offer going on their Face Shop official site. So if you buy some sort of a amount and you will get one kit free. So this is the kit which I got free. This is how it looks like. It's their chia kit. बेसिकली चिया सीड रेंज का उनका किट है. ये बहुत ही प्यारा है एंड मैं पर्सनली इसको बहुत टाइम से यूज करना चाहती थी एंड दिस इज अ वेरी क्यूट सा ट्रैवल सा किट है. आप देख सकते हो दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक अ फ्रंट एंड क्लोज. यहाँ पे आपको एक टोनर मिलता है, हाइड्रेटिंग लोशन है एंड यू गेट अ क्रीम एज वेल. सो इट्स रियली गुड एंड आई डू लव देयर चिया सीड रेंज. आई हैव यूज्ड इट पर्सनली, बट मुझे पर्सनली बहुत ओवर द टॉप एक्सपेंसिव लगता है ये वाला रेंज एंड आई डोंट थिंक सो 2500 रुपीज आई विल इन्वेस्ट एवर ऑन अ वन मॉइस्चराइजर. So that's the reason I never bought their full size product in terms of this. मैंने इसको ये वाले किट को पहले भी ट्राई कर चुकी हूँ, but this time I got it free and I was like that's the best gift Face Shop can ever send to the customers. This is the next thing which I got guys. Next up guys, मैंने बहुत सारी चीजें Dr. Sheth से मंगवाई थी. So there was 40 to 35% off on Dr. Sheth. So the first thing which I got What is this one, guys? This is their 20% vitamin C serum. This is not the first time I have bought this. This is again a repurchase, but I definitely gonna love this. इनका एक hyaluronic serum भी अच्छा है, इनका एक neem serum भी बहुत अच्छा है, and niacinamide भी बहुत अच्छा है, and this is the one which I like the most out of all, and this is also retails for approximately 900 rupees, and I got it for 35% off, which is a steal. So that's the reason I got it, because मुझे वैसे भी लेना ही था. So this is the next thing which I got. Next serum which I got, this is the first time I have been trying out. This is their neem and BHA serum. It's a spot serum kind of a thing. So basically अगर आपको कोई dark spots है या कोई acne spots है, so you are supposed to keep it overnight. Otherwise you are supposed to keep it for 10 minutes and remove it. I really loving this. मैंने इसको 1 या 2 night use कर लिया है already, and I don't know how much time it's gonna take. So it might take 1 month or so to remove all the dark spots. But I am definitely looking forward to use this more and more. The last thing which I got from Dr. Sheth's, guys, is this one. This is their CC and Ceramide Night Cream Overnight Repair Serum. I really love this one. ये भी एक repurchase है. इसका consistency बहुत अच्छा है. इसका एक toner आता है, गुलाब and glycolic toner. उसके साथ ये वाला चीज pair करोगे ना, that's a really best combo you can do for night skincare routine. It is a very good pH balanced product, and it helps you to regenerate your skin and plump up your skin. So I really love this product, and that's the reason I repurchased this. The first thing which I got in terms of a serum is this one, guys. This is a Cosrx AHA serum. This is supposed to be removing your whitehead. So I don't have a blackhead issue, but I do have a whitehead issue, and that's the reason I am moving towards the AHA serums. That's the reason मैंने Dr. Sheth's का भी AHA serum मंगवाया है, and ये भी AHA serum है. So मैं try कर रही हूँ AHA VHA serums अलग-अलग brand से. So this is the one which I got. It's also a very good serum, to be very honest. इसके reviews अच्छे हैं. मैंने इसको 1 या 2 बार यूज किया है. This much I have used already. You are supposed to just keep it overnight and that's it. आपको ज़्यादा रखना नहीं है. मतलब you are supposed to keep it for only 10 to 15 minutes on your face. You're supposed to keep this 10 to 15 minutes on your face and just wash it off, and you're supposed to remove the whiteheads, which I don't understand first of all, but let's see how it works out. I don't have my verdict on it. मैंने इसको सिर्फ एक बार यूज किया है, so I'm not sure how much I loved it. So I will definitely update you with this one. Next serum which I got is not very popular and nobody ever talks about it, and this is from the brand Mystic Earth. This is how the packaging of this particular brand looks like. ये बहुत ही bougie packaging आता है, and मैंने इसको मिनिमम 3 से 4 बार यूज किया है, and I really like this so far. This is how the packaging looks like. It does claim that it is a youth concentrate micro copper peptide serum, and you get a pump packaging right here. Have you seen this packaging? Like it's a game changer. आपको ऐसे Gucci and all that products मिल जाता है ये वाले particular packaging में, and I really love this. It is very calming first of all, and it is literally pump your skin, and I have used this like 2 to 3 nights consistently, and मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है, but I don't know how much it is giving me the effect, because मैंने सिर्फ ये product use नहीं किया है, मैंने उसके साथ बहुत अलग-अलग products भी लगाए हैं. So I have to check this out with lot of different people in my house, and I'll test it out on them, and I'll give you my final verdict on this one as well. Serum which I tried is a very old product, guys. This is the serum which I'm talking about. This is a green tea seed serum. ये बहुत ही पुराना product है, to be very honest. But मैंने इसको कभी try नहीं किया. I don't know why. मुझे पसंद नहीं आ रहा था, and मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि पता नहीं ये work करेगा नहीं करेगा. मुझे कोई idea नहीं था. This is how the product looks. बहुत ही ज़्यादा hydrating serum है. So if you are from a dry skin family, you should definitely use it. Innisfree के बहुत सारे products बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, and ये product के बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा मैंने अच्छी बातें सुनी है. But I was like, let's try it out. So I am using all this Korean skincare all together, which is really good. ये काफी expensive था, to be very honest, but there was some sort of off going on. It was for like 1800 1900, but I got it for 1000 approximately. That's the reason I bought it, because ये हमेशा offer पे नहीं होता है. I never saw this on offer, but that day I got this one on offer, and that's the reason I got it, because मुझे बहुत टाइम से try करना था, तो I was like it's the best time, so I grabbed this. Next product, guys, is a face mist. So summer के time पे ना I do prefer a lot of different mist, and that's the reason I wanted to buy something which is not very well known of, but उसके reviews काफी अच्छे थे. The product which I'm talking about is this one. This is a Love Earth face mist. I really love this. ये jasmine face mist है, guys. ये बहुत ही अच्छा वाला face mist है. इसका spray ना बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत ही fine है. and it smells really good. It does not have any sort of a chemical or anything like that, but it's a really good mist, and इसका price भी बहुत ही अच्छा था. इसके reviews 4.5 थे, which is really good. So I was like, let's try this up. I don't wanted to try something which is very repetitive and everybody talks about it. I wanted to try something new for you guys, so that's the reason I got this. Next up, I got a 2 clay mask from myself, and obviously मैं बहुत टाइम से ये clay mask लेना चाहती थी. मैंने बिल्कुल बीच में clay mask लगाना छोड़ दिया था honestly, and I was like, let's get back to our clay masking game because I don't know, I just wanted to, I feel like it. So that's the reason I restock one and I got new one. One which I'm talking about is this one, guys. This is a Indian healing clay mask. It's a world most popular clay mask actually. बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है, 100% नेचुरल इंग्रेडिएंट से बना है, एंड आप जार देख सकते हो इतना बड़ा है. मतलब ये मुझे मेरे पूरे फैमिली ने भी रोज लगाया ना, तो भी आई थिंक ये मतलब खत्म नहीं होगा. मुझे ये बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. इसके साथ ना एप्पल साइडर विनेगर फ्री मिला था. मुझे नहीं पता मैंने कहाँ रखा है, बट वो भी था मेरे पास. सो वो उसके साथ आपको यूज करना है, अदरवाइज आपको वाटर में यूज करना है. अदरवाइज यू कैन यूज इट विद दही एज वेल. सो मैंने अभी तक इसको यूज नहीं किया है, एंड आई हैव अ आइडिया दैट आई यूज इट ऑन कैमरा विद यू गाइज, एंड आई हैव टू सी how it is like world's best clay mask, and that's why I got it. I got it for 850 rupees, and I got an apple cider vinegar of like very huge bottle with this free, with a very huge tub, and I think that's a very good deal. So definitely share this particular mask with you guys if you are interested. Next clay mask which I got is from the brand L'Oreal, guys. This is the one which I'm talking about. This is a L'Oreal clay mask which is a detoxifying variant. ये बहुत ही अच्छा, ये ब्लू जार में जो आता है वो वाला प्रोडक्ट है. बहुत ही cool प्रोडक्ट है ये, and it just calms you down somehow. This is how it looks like from inside. I really like this. मैंने इसको पूरा एक खत्म कर चुकी हूँ, and this is the second jar which I got. I am looking forward to use this one particularly. Let's see how it turns out. With that, guys, we completed the video right here. I hope you like all my skincare purchases. Please let me know what is your favorite product from the whole haul, and also let me know if you want me to review any one of the product. Until I see you next time, bye guys.